Right now, let's talk about how you can fix the incorrect time on your Android device. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and become part of the community on Foxtecc so that way you'll never miss anything important. So, of course, the thing gets managed inside of the settings by going to the main section, of course, and then you are supposed to find the date and a time, and it is supposed to be part of these general section. So you go to the general management, and there is the date and time. And first of all, me personally, I like to keep it set automatic on all of my devices, because then using the internet and location of my phone, I can be sure that the time is always correct, right? So make sure you have that. But you also have to enable the automatic time zone, because if not, you might have the automatic date and a time, but the time zone might be different, right? So you can literally see and have the ability to change to a different region. So that's how you can fix it. If you want to use the manual approach, you can literally choose a different region, but it would make sense to have all of the things automatic, right? So that is how it would work. If you turn all of the automatic options off and keep it manual, you can literally just set at the time as you wish, basically, right? So that's probably not ideal, because you want to be somehow correct about it. So I would personally keep the automatic thing enabled for all of those, and then it will be enabled and set correctly. And there is also one more option, which is set a time zone based on location. This is especially good if you are traveling, right? So you move to a different location, and then your time will also be adjusted automatically. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. I really hope that you now got it right and that your device is showing the correct time. But that is going to be about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the upcoming videos as well.